Hello, I'm Mingala. Nia Miko, Auntie Lady Mita. At Ramia, I did the cool being my receiver. Maybe give it a like this, no?
Then I don't know. Try it up at the end of your life.
Try it out, no? Sure. It here, don't you? Here, didn't it? There's a fire, okay, nice. I'll be very nice. Not having the fun. Here, I did the vampire bonus. Wow, believe me. Dalia, and the leave on a yadia, and then Yari, Dalia, push Konoya by. I am a conch in a yard, conch in a yard. I'll leave your there. Oh my God. You are Auntie B here. Not your ID daughter. Trying to get a happy mom. I'll have some limited. I keep it down. Maria, no? To a down Mabunara and the Mia, Naku be mamma. I did let out. Well, let's get right. The Madeira. Nice hamburger. Oh, Mama. I say no that you are and you know me.
Oh, my goodness. How you doing?
Medina got a camonia to be Baby, in chat. You get it out of it. Niaro, you can you should lay a cool yard. Dina Yama. You know, I didn't know the Mabiani Galley, so you get my ship. Tell you, Majaya, and thank you, Talia in Nadi, he should come in. He should come in.
Una Baba Himala,
and not it.
Sumalauna.
Peter than Lena than Lebona. Soon, he can give it up. Atania, Madam Jaya, let the committee be abono. The Aboma God, he may. What are you, Yadala? What are you, little long cheek? No, shut your Dalia, Money, come back to Friday. Man, you go at it. Go somewhere on Yabba, where. But look, later I have it. You're the near my hands was out since the old tree by night. He and know that the other ဒါလေးကတော့ဖျားရှင်ရှိနေရတယ်ကတလေးကတော့ဝဒနာလေးပါနော်အိမ်မှာကားမပါဘူးနော်ကားလည်းမပါဘူးဒီအောက်ကလည်းဟိုကစီရရှေးကူးပါဒီမှာတော့ကြတော့ပြဟုတ်ကဲ့ဗောဒီအောက်မှာလည်းဒီကူးကနက်ကရှိရနော်ဒီမှာတကယ်ရောဟာဒီကူးကနော်ဟုတ်ပါဒီကနေ့ချက်ဆွဲဒီကနေ့ကြည့်ဒီလိုလေးကြည့်ပြကြတယ်အားလုံးပြောင်းချင်းစီတာဒီညာရေးမှာရယ်နော်နောက်ပြီးတော့ဗာလီကိုပြောင်းလဲဆိုလေးတွေခုမှနေနာမလို့တော့နော်အဲ့ခဲတဲ့အတိုင်းအားလေးပြရမလားသာကူရာမလေးကြောင့်တက်ပြရမလားဘမမော်ရင်ရွာသွားပြရမလားဘယ်လိုသွားပြမလဲဆိုလေးကိုခုမှလေးကမခဲ့ပြကြအောင်နော်ဒီဗီဒီယိုလေးရတော့ကျွန်တော်
ဘယ်လိုလုပ်ပြီးတော့ဘယ်လို
အဲ့ဒီပေးတဲ့ဗီဒီယိုလေးပဲဖြစ်ထားတယ်အဲ့ဒါမလို့